You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from Spanish, Italian, French in particular, stay tuned. I've got tons more suggestions and useful videos for you. In Spanish, the pronunciation is Ciro or Ciro. The Italian pronunciation, which is probably perhaps what you're looking for, Ciro. In French, Ciro. English, either Ciro or Ciro. How do you say it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.